Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Today, we're tackling a question that's been bugging a lot of you. Is Acorns actually a bank account? I mean, it sounds like it, right? You're putting your money in there, it's growing, so it must be a bank, right? Well, hold your horses, financial cowboys. Let's get to the bottom of this. First things first, let's talk about what a bank account actually is. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. They're regulated by the government, and your money is insured by the FDIC, right? So, when you think about it, Acorns doesn't really fit that mold. Acorns is what we call an investment app. It's a platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money automatically. It's like having a tiny financial robot that scoops up your spare change and invests it for you. Pretty cool, huh? But it's not a bank. Now, let's talk about where your money actually goes when you use Acorns. Your money is invested in a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. These assets are held by a brokerage firm, not a bank. So, while your money is working hard to grow, it's not sitting in a traditional bank account earning interest. So, if Acorns isn't a bank, what does that mean for you? Well, it means your money isn't FDIC insured. This means your money isn't protected by the government in case the brokerage firm goes belly up. But don't panic just yet. While it's important to understand the risks, it's also important to remember that investing always involves some level of risk. But here's the deal, Acorns is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which means it's subject to strict regulations. Plus, the brokerage firms that hold your investments are also regulated. So, while your money isn't FDIC insured, it's still protected by other layers of regulation. Now, you might be wondering, if Acorns isn't a bank, why does it feel like one? Well, Acorns does a great job of making investing feel easy and accessible. You can link your bank account to Acorns, and it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's like having a little money-saving sidekick. But remember, while Acorns is great for starting your investment journey, it might not be the best option for all of your money. If you need quick access to your funds, a traditional savings account might be a better choice. So, to sum it up, Acorns is not a bank account. It's an investment app that helps you grow your money over time. It's a great option for small, consistent investments, but it's important to understand the risks involved. Now, before we wrap up, I want to talk about some alternatives to Acorns. There are plenty of other investment apps out there, each with its own features and benefits. Some apps offer robo-advisors that can help you build a personalized investment portfolio, while others focus on specific types of investments, like stocks or cryptocurrency. It's important to do your research and find the investment app that's right for you. Consider your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and the amount of money you want to invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. So, educate yourself, make smart choices, and keep on growing your money. Peace out.